how to model this furniture in very short time. So let's get started. First of all, make a plane. For put the reference, so go to the reference and just drag and drop over this plane. Okay, then make it adjust like this. Then it's very important to convert this plane into a real scale. Maybe your furniture height is 8 feet, so create a rectangle in 8 feet, or maybe you can model this furniture in metric units. So just convert this value into a metric, mm or cm or m meter. You can do that. I'll go for inch, fps unit, right? So I'll go for fps unit. So make it 8 feet, and then depth is width, and then width is 14 inch. Okay, and then adjust your plane according to this rectangle. It's very easy, right? Then apply extrude modifier over this rectangle. This value is 14 inch is okay. P for perspective, Z for zoom. Okay, now hold the Alt and X, and then you will get the transparent mode of this geometry. Okay, so F for front, and then apply it edit poly. You can also apply editable poly, but I prefer edit poly first because of you can easily undo if you make any mistake your model. Okay, so select edges, and then here is 1 2 3 4 5 shelf, so you need to connect 5 or 6 connected, and then you will get the 5 segment, and then adjust here and here. So adjust like this. Okay, and then go to polygon, click F2, and in this way you can get full transparent face. Okay, select full polygon and then inset. So first inset for my total border, and then another inset for individual shelf. So make sure this is by polygon. Okay, F3 to see the proper thickness of your shelf. Okay, and then this part is 2 drawer and 1 palla storage. So another edge connect, make it 1 and increase the segments. Like this. F4 for showing the edges. Okay, so here is 2 drawer, insert it, this is drawer part, and then this is another part. So connect, so insert over here. Okay, then adjust this by selecting vertex, then select the polygon for this shelf, and then hold shift and drag in negative way. Then this part, select the polygon, and this is you can see the round shape. So this is not a total part, this is maybe another bit over here. So we can create it later. So first of all, do your basic is first of all focus your basic structure. So make it punch like this, and then Control Shift hold and then drag like this. Then you will get the another face. Okay, make it clone to object, and then use shell modifier to thickness it. Okay, then effect pivot only, center to object, modify, adjust over here. Then you can get this kind of shape over here in very simple way. Just make it convert to editable poly, select the edges, this edge, select all side edges, this side and this side, and exclude the middle edges by drag and hold Alter. Okay, at the same time exclude in middle part. Just select the corner edges in your drawer and shelf. Okay, and then left click chamfer simply, then increase some values like this, and increase some value, increase some segments. Okay, in that way you get shape like this. Very simple, right? So adjust over here, maybe set another color to show it properly. Okay, here you can see in the reference that there is golden bead over this shelf. So how to create this? Select just polygon, select it from front, it will be easier, and then exclude this face or this poly. So look, this bead, just this golden bead just pasted in front of shelf part. So select that, and then just hold Ctrl and Shift and then drag in front. In that case you are able to create clone to object. So make it some renderable, go to shell modifier, then give some amount, convert to editable poly, effect pivot only, center to object, and then paste over here, and that will our golden bead. Select another color for now. Okay, and that will have another shapes in golden part. So how to create this? So Alt Q to unhide all except this. So select the edges go to the top view, select the edges in front and exclude the back edges. So here left click, create two shapes and linear. Okay, then you will get a spline shapes from here, and next you need to make it renderable. So go to spline, here select spline, go to spline and here rendering, enable in render, enable in viewport. Okay, decrease some values, unhide all now, and then make it golden. Assign the golden like material. Done. So you are able to do the same. Okay, so here is the handle. How to create this handle? Maybe you can create from a rectangle or from a box. So how to create box over this surface? So active auto grip and then just drag and give some height. Okay, so make it convert to editable poly or edit poly, then select the polygon, insert like this and then punch it, and then use chamfer, increase the amount, increase the segment 2 or 3, not much more, and then decrease the amount. Then you will get a smooth handle like this. Okay, that will our drawer handle. Just paste it here and decrease some value by using resize. And then instance in another drawer and another. This part will place in vertical way, so rotate it and then adjust in this part. Okay, so this part is almost ready. So as you can see this image, this drawer have some up from this surface. So you can do the same in very simple way, just up little bit. Okay, then you can add light over here. Maybe you can add light for light material, or you can use corner light or Vray light. So maybe we'll adjust light later after completing full modeling. So then I'll go for middle part of this furniture. So again create a rectangle for this mirror part, another rectangle for the bottom part, and then another rectangle for this drawer. Okay, G for hide the grid, hide the reference for now, and then adjust this rectangle. So you can see the rectangle have thickness able or enable, maybe active the enable render in enable viewport. That's why this rectangle showing like this. So deactivate the enable in render, enable in viewport. Okay. Again do the same, then adjust like this. So you can extrude it and see your back part. Alt X. This is very lower thickness, so give maybe 2 or 3 inch. 2 inch is okay. And then go to the front view. So make it edit poly to adjust for final modeling. Vertex and adjust over here. Then do the same in the lower part. Extrude and make it extrude in middle dryer part. Extrude. Okay. So alter X so that you can see through this object. Here select vertex, adjust over here, and this wheel dryer part, this is more thickness around this part. So go to the extrude and then make it 14, or sorry, make it 14. Okay. And this part, if you see, this part is make it look like louver, or need to add some groove over here. So that is very easy. Edit poly, select edges, select this edge and this edge, then connect, increase the connection values, and then make it extrude. So how extrude you need and how your cutting depth. So you need to extrude it in a negative way so that you can create proper groove over here. Okay, like this. You can copy this thing here, copy, and then paste in front of this dryer. No need to another groove, just make it in very simple way. You can save your time so much. Unhide all. So here the mirror part, here the dryer part, but you need to paste in front of this dryer. You need to paste it in front of this dryer. So as you can see here, some look like very bad, some black line is here, no worries. Select the element and then go to the polygon smooth group here, click the clear all, and boom, you can see everything is clear. Okay, so give a color over here, maybe it's white for now. So if you work in 2D view, you need to active 2.5 snap, then adjust. Only need to copy, don't copy. This is a symmetrical design, this part and this part is same, so make it instant so that you can change a part, another part is changed at the same time, so make it instance, and then place over here. Select vertex and okay, that's look like very close to our reference. Unhide all, differentiate the plane and compare. Make a plane for the ground. So our model is not in 0 axis, to this model in 0 axis from Z value. Okay, P for perspective, give a neutral color here. This way you are creating this kind of furniture in very simple way. You need to add a drawer handle over this part. Here is one and another is one instance. Okay, now just need to add the border like this. So how can do this? You can do the very simple way. Make it maybe convertible poly. Select the polygon and select the full polygon except the front part. Just hold the shift and control and then drag it like this and then make it clone to object. In that way you can get a frame like this and then adjust over here, but you need to apply shell modifier to get more thickness. Okay, now to adjust the cover over here. Now assign a golden light material, unhide all. Look, this is very near to our reference. Okay, so in this way you can model this furniture. So maybe in next video we'll try to render this furniture, or maybe we'll put the furniture in an interior space and then render it. We will show you guys how looks like this furniture after rendering. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching.